what we have. You know what? That's pretty cute. I think I like this. I like the colors. I went with this color theme to match the lily pads. And the reason I did layers and not create some type of scene was because the fragrance that I use riced, or it was supposed to, and potentially some people said it accelerated on them, some said it didn't. So I didn't want to take that chance. So layers was pretty safe. Oh my, that one broke through into the other layer. Not a big deal. So yeah, I decided just the safe bet was to create layers. That way if it did accelerate, I was only pouring one layer at a time and putting fragrance in one layer at a time, so I would be able to work with it. And I have to say, the fragrance actually worked okay doing that. Like, I didn't have any major issues. So yeah, there you have it. I'm actually quite pleased with this. Like, the color scheme just is very pleasing to me. Of course, I love pink and yellow, so that could be a part of it. Ugh, they're cute. And then the little frog on top. I love frogs.